Hi, yellow spellers. This week we are talking about the long I vowel sound and the long A vowel sound. Long I vowel sound can be spelled with a Y or an IGH. The spelling pattern for long A vowel sound can be spelled with AY or AI. So the first word I want to talk about is a bay. Here is a picture of a bay. This is what a bay looks like. A bay is an inlet of the sea where the land curves inward. So that spelling pattern is AY. The next word I want to talk about is a ray. Sun shines rays, and that's how we get our heat. It's from the sun's rays. Let's talk about the long A vowel sound, spelling pattern AI. Word that is spelled AI is aim. If you're playing basketball, you need to aim for the hoop so that the basketball goes in the basketball hoop. If you notice, AI are next to each other. The first one does the talking, the next vowel does the walking. So you hear A's name. You don't hear I's name, you hear A's name. Aim. Okay, let's talk about the word gain. Think about how you could use the word gain in a sentence. What can you gain from doing distance learning? What is something you learn from distance learning? What do you gain from this experience that you're having? The word chain. Chain, when we are pulling the dock out, we use a chain to help us pull it because it's heavy. Chain. Hook it up to the car to pull the dock out. Talk about the long I vowel sound, IGH. So the word bright. I'm recording this on Wednesday, but yesterday was Tuesday, and it was very bright outside. If you notice, the long I vowel sound is right in the middle of the word. IGH makes the long I vowel sound, and it's right in the middle of the word. Bright and bright. You go in a haunted house, it is such a fright. Oh, I forgot one over here. Braid. You braid your hair, maybe you braid your mom's hair, maybe you braid your sibling's hair. Tie a braid. Snail. You only hear A's name. This vowel does the talking, the next vowel does the walking. Snail. Snail moves very slowly. There's another one for AY spelling pattern, always. I always enjoy to go outside when it's nice out. Long I vowel sounds, spelling pattern Y. Sly. Sly means you're kind of sneaky. You're sly. Shy. Notice how the long I vowel sound, you hear it at the end of the word, and it's spelled with just a Y. Maybe you might be shy sometimes when you meet new people. Okay, second graders, these are the words for this week for the yellow spellers. As you notice in the Google slide that this video is in, you will see that it's a yellow background. Maybe I'll change the backgrounds every week so you know which one's the newest one, but the newest slide will always be at the very top so that you know that these are your new spelling words for this week. Your old spelling words from last week are the slide below the newest slide. So make sure that you do your word work time. I included the copy of the PDF for word work options to practice your spelling words. Also, you can look at the choice board for different spelling practice there.